Hello everyone. Thank you so much for liking my last video and giving me your love so much. Thank you. And I'm really happy, I'm really glad to see that you people are practicing, sharing your work with me. Awesome. Thank you so much. Keep on practicing and definitely you'll see the changes. Those who have not shared their work, please do keep sharing your work so that I can be monitoring it. I could be telling you where you need to make a change now. Well, now it's time to talk about today's video. Many parents, almost in every class, they ask me a question. कितनी तरह की राइटिंग होती है, किस तरह की राइटिंग लिखनी चाहिए, किस तरह की राइटिंग बच्चों को लिखानी चाहिए, and all these kind of questions, right? So today's video is the answer of that. So it's important. Listen to it nicely. Well, if you talk about writing, we have actually three kind of writing. First is print. We called it print writing. Second, cursive or script writing. And third is the print script writing. Now I'll show you to make you understand the difference between all the writings, and I'll be also telling you किस एज तक किस राइटिंग को प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए, उसके बाद हमें क्या करना चाहिए, एंड एवरीथिंग मीन्स आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू गिव यू अ डिटेल्ड नॉलेज ऑफ राइटिंग टुडे. Okay, so let's see this. So friends, when I talk about print, means this kind of writing where you can see there is no connection between letters, and cursive means comes with the stroke, starting stroke or the ending stroke, and it is connected. Each and every letter is connected to each other. When we talk about print script writing, it means connection plus disconnection, where you'll be writing few letters in connection and few will be disconnected. Suppose here when I've written I lift my hand for the dot, and then I've written P and T with the crossbar. So here it's not regular, है ना? It's not regular, rather I'm lifting my pen again and again. So this is your print writing, script writing, and print and script writing. Now let me tell you the characteristics of each. So friends, now let me tell you the meaning of print, cursive, and print script writing. Print writing, where you can see there is no connection between letters. Now these writers are logical. They are reserved. For them, it is very difficult to express their emotions, their feelings. But at the same time, they are very logical. Now, when we talk about cursive writing is actually known as progressive writing. यही कारण है कि छोटी ही एज में जब बच्चे 5-5.5 साल के होते हैं, 6 साल के होते हैं, उन्हें कर्सिव राइटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस करा दी जाती है, बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स देम टू स्टोर न्यू knowledge. It also makes them flexible. It helps them to express their emotion, which is good for their mental health. At the same point, cursive writing makes a child more concentrative. It makes them fast. It helps them to improve socially, making friends, mingle up with each and everyone. Now, after 9 years, if a child can practice print script writing, it's really good for them. Why? Because print script writing is the most efficient way of writing. It helps you to make good decisions in life. Why? Because print script writing means the combination of print and script writing, right? It is the indication of intelligence. Hope this information help you to understand the meaning of all and to use it. There is one more reason why we don't practice exactly cursive writing जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, because it makes you monotonous. आपने देखा होगा कुछ बच्चे स्टार्टिंग में चीज़ों को या किसी भी क्लासेस को बहुत ही एंथो के साथ शुरू करते हैं, and then they get bored. That is also because of the unnecessary strokes of cursive writing in later on life. Beginning में it's very important. Those strokes are really important for them. But when they grow up, when they are in a teenage, at that point we need to remove those unnecessary strokes from their writing, and that is why we introduce print script writing. आप खुद अपनी writing देखो, you must be writing in a print script way. कुछ letters connected है, कुछ disconnected है, right? Still, if you have any query, any doubt, do comment, ask me, I'll answer you. Thank you.